Water for you too. So the kids are at school and Aiden has some things to do, so I'm home alone. So I decided to start vlogs of things that I do on my free time, my me time. Today I'm gonna go to the gym. It's been a while. Also, I have to pack again for LA and Dallas. So let's go. Well, it was really cool today, so I'm gonna wear long pants. All my workout clothes are in here. I love Nike. Adidas. And then maybe I'll just wear this t-shirt. 아, 날씨 좋다. This really helps with my cores. After I gave birth, I got really weak here. I have a lot of like hip and back pain, so this really helps. When I have so much stress and thoughts in my head, when I work out, I just forget about it. Usually I have a lot of like neck pains and back pains, but after working out, all the neck pains went away. We actually had a big breakfast this morning before Aiden went to go meet someone. But I'm hungry now after working out. I'm gonna eat some cereal. Have cereal for now and then have lunch when Aiden gets here. Maybe I will answer some of y'all's Q&As right now. You guys sent me some questions on my story. Oh shit, okay. Wow, so much questions. Maybe I'll just pick some. From Exo Karen, what are some fast dishes you cook? Some fast dishes I can make, like miyeokguk is really easy, the seaweed soup, and then fried rice is pretty easy. It's just the cutting part that takes a while. I like to make like chon, Korean pancakes. Pigs cute. I think that's how you spell your username. What kind of skin procedures have you tried in Korea and recommendations? I've tried the sunspots wart removal laser on my neck. I have a video on that on my channel. Tried the laser mole removing, sunspot removing, just the laser for skin. My skin did get so clear after getting the laser treatment done once, and I do have a video on that on my channel, like a separate video showing you guys my before and after my skin treatment. How do you keep your body slim? I actually have a really fast metabolism and I'm trying my best to gain weight right now actually. So I'm working out to gain some muscles and just try to gain weight because it's really hard. I know for some people it's hard to lose weight, but it's the same thing for people trying to gain weight. Sometimes it's really hard. Your favorite toner? I'm currently using not a toner but the Hera Essence. I'm kind of using that as a toner, but this is like my third year using it and I love it. What's your MBTI personality type? I'm not sure. I think a long time ago Jen Muse, she made me do this quiz online and she told me what my type was, but I forgot. Yeah. What's your favorite movie? It's actually Aladdin right now. I think I watched that movie like 10 times and I'm always listening to Speechless in my car. It's on repeat, so Sonu and Yeon's always like, why do you always only listen to this song? How's your relationship with your husband? We're good. I've been getting a lot of questions asking like, are you guys divorced? Or like, yeah, but no, we're still together. It's just It's just that we've been together for like 16 years now, so there is no like spark anymore, but we still care for each other. But we don't really take like selfies and photos together anymore. We did it before when we used to date, but not anymore. And since we don't really take photos together, a lot of people is asking like, are you guys divorced? I don't see y'all's selfies on Instagram anymore. But yeah, it's been a while since we took photos together. He's actually behind the camera taking my photos and the kids' photos. Here's a family photo if you guys want to see it. This is from Jeju-do. This actually took us so long because the kids would always be moving around, or one of the kids would be like blinking. So yeah, it took like 10 tries to actually get a photo when all of us are looking in the camera. Karen OC Mom asks, are you moving back to the US? Yes. This villa, the contract ends next May, so we have about a year and 7 months left, and after that I think we will be moving back for sure. Sora Kim X asks, do you speak mostly Korean with your kids? Yes. That was one of the main reasons why we moved to Korea. I wanted them to learn Korean fluently before they enter school and start learning English, because I've seen a lot of my friends and family, like niece and nephews, that completely forgot all their Korean as soon as they entered school. So I wanted Yeonu to be fluent in Korean and then start English so that he will not forget his Korean, if that makes sense. He actually learned how to write and read after 1 month of going to tutoring, like a hagwon. And so I think once he wants to learn English, he will learn really fast. I just don't want to force him to learn English right now. Recently he's been saying, oh mom, I think I should start learning English, like can you teach me a few words each day? So I was like, oh sure. So I've been doing that. What are Sunwoo and Yeonu's favorite K-pop stars? Yeonu, I think it's BTS. Who else loves BTS? Like this video. I was actually taking K-pop dance class at school. It was like an after-school program, and then he learned the BTS song. So since then, sometimes in the car he'll be like, "Oh, Oma, can you turn on the 방탄소년 song?" I say, "Okay." A lot of these are the same things asking about me and Aiden. Why did you guys break up? So that's about it. Cereal didn't fill me up. Maybe I'll eat something small and then eat lunch. Maybe I'll make beef sushi. 차돌박이? I don't know what. I think it's like thin sliced beef. I like to put it on like sushi rice and then eat it with teriyaki sauce and wasabi. It tastes so good. Where's the beef? About to eat lunch soon. I'm just gonna eat a little bit. A little bit of vinegar. Get any wasabi? I love wasabi. Get some teriyaki sauce. Ta-da! It actually tastes really good. It's like the teriyaki sauce and wasabi together. It's like perfect. This is the kimchi. So good. I have to eat lunch soon. sometimes when guests come over, we would make like the rice balls, 50 of them, and then cook the meat in the center so they can just grab a meat and then put it on top of their rice and eat it warm. So start packing. So in this small suitcase, I have to put like gochugaru and stuff that my aunt asked me to bring her from Korea. Kind of started packing already. I'm gonna pack kind of light this time. I did order a couple stuff from Topshop and Nordstrom's. I ordered it online and shipped it to my mom's house. So I have like 3 outfits arriving in Dallas. So when I arrive in Dallas on the 17th, I will pack those outfits and then take it with me to LA the next day. So I'm not gonna take too much clothes with me since, yeah, I bought all my clothes there. I'm taking my PJs and comfy sweatpants. I'm taking a gray one and then also a black one. These are the ones that I got from Topshop when I was there 2 weeks ago. These are so comfy and so soft. And then my favorite jeans. So cute. It's like a baggy fit. And these are from Nanningu. I also got these from YesStyle. Dress that I bought from Francisca's when I was there last week. These are also my favorite pair of jeans. These are from AG. Leather jacket. I've tried so many other leather jackets recently and I'm like, no, I like the one I have. So cute.
왜? 숙제 안 하고 왔어?
그게 아니라
I have some things that I bought for my grandma again, my cousin. I have my makeup in here. And I have like restroom stuff, my contact lenses in here. Let me show you some of the outfits that I got online. Okay. This top from Reformation. I tried this on when I was in Nordstrom's last week, but they didn't have my size, so I ordered it online. So I got this top. Star print. I'm gonna wear this with like leather skirt.